The Ricon 32721 is the main controller used for a Mirage F9TF and an F9TH model wheelchair lift and ramp used on many public transport buses. ERD received this unit with power supply faults, and after a full rebuild, we performed a full functional test using our simulator. As shown in this video, we have simulated the entire system, and the control box believes it's installed within a bus. We are able to check the proper outputs are connected to the hydraulics when running this simulated test. At ERD, we have supported these Ricon controllers for a number of years, keeping handicapped ramps in operation in a number of municipalities. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.